Step 1. Begin by digging a trench approximately 7 to 8 inches deep and 2 to 3 inches wide, just below the surface of the ground layer. This trench will house the YCS Strip Drain system and direct water flow to the sump pump. Step 2. Dig a hole for the sump pump basin, approximately 2 feet wide and 2.5 feet deep. For added stability and drainage, place a layer of gravel at the bottom of the hole. Step 3. Insert the sump pump basin into the hole and ensure it is level. Step 4. Place the YCS strip drain into the trench. Step 5. Cover the strip drain with soil or the original ground material, ensuring it's buried but not compressed, allowing for proper water flow. Step 6. Wrap the end of the strip drain around the sump pump basin to connect and terminate. Step 7. Backfill around the strip drain and sump pump basin with gravel, making sure the system remains level and secure.